In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an overlay effect using Canva. Whether you're crafting a social media post, designing a flyer, or making a presentation, an overlay can add depth and interest to your visuals. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to visit canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, you'll see that Canva offers a few different login options. You can use your Google or Facebook account or simply log in with your email. This flexibility makes it easy to get started, especially if you're already logged into your social media accounts on your current device. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the design you want to work on. You can either choose a design you've already started or begin a new one. If your design requires specific images, you can upload them directly from your device. Canva also has a rich library of stock images you can use, which can be quite helpful if you're looking for something specific or don't have images ready at hand. With your images in place, simply drag and drop them onto your design canvas. It's as easy as that. You'll see the images populate the canvas, and from there you can start arranging them. This is where the magic of creating an overlay begins. You can resize and position each image as desired. Overlapping the images slightly can create a seamless and professional looking overlay effect. To refine this arrangement, right click on any image and you'll see the layer option. This handy tool allows you to bring images forward or push them backward in your design. Experiment with this feature to find the perfect balance, ensuring that the most important parts of each image are visible. Another fantastic tool in Canva is the transparency slider found in the toolbar. By adjusting the transparency of an image, you can create stunning compositions where images subtly blend into one another. This tool is particularly useful if you want to soften the appearance of an image or make text stand out while still being legible over the top of your overlay. Finally, if you want to further fine-tune the placement of your images, you can make use of the position option. This enables you to make precise adjustments, ensuring everything lines up exactly how you want it. And there you have it, you've now learned how to create beautiful overlays in Canva. With these techniques you can enhance your designs and captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me today, happy designing.